today's video, I'll be showing you 5 most reliable virtual card provider in 2024. So, and the number one on the list is actually called privacy.com. So this privacy.com is actually based in the United States, and this particular virtual credit card allow you to actually create a free virtual credit card. So as you can see, protect your payments and keep your free trial website. So if you actually want to subscribe for maybe Netflix, you want to subscribe for VPN, and you don't want to use your physical card because of the issue of recurring payment, you can actually go for privacy.com. So but the only disadvantage of using privacy.com is the fact that it is based in United States, and you won't be able to have a lot of payment methods to be able to fund this card. So if you are from maybe Asia, North America, you are living outside United States, you have to keep on watching the video because I have some virtual credit card you can actually use. So if you want to get your virtual credit card from privacy.com, all you have to do is to click on get it now, and you should be able to register and get your card. As you can see, all you have to do is to sign in. So you can actually sign in over here, then click on sign in or get started. So you can actually sign up with your email and your password, so you'll be able to get your card from privacy.com. It's very reliable in United States, and it actually works on different platforms. If you want to run Facebook ads, if you want to actually buy things on all those websites, you can actually use privacy virtual credit card. So that is the number one list on my virtual credit card provider that are very reliable. So the number two is actually US Unlock. So US Unlock have been in the game for a longer period of time. So and their card work on different platforms like Walmart, it's work on Amazon, it actually work on Netflix. So different platform you actually want to use virtual credit card for, because the reason why you're actually using free virtual credit cards is the fact that, for example, if you actually buy product on Amazon and you don't want to leave your normal physical card on the platform because of recurring charges, and maybe you subscribe for VPN and the next month they are going to charge you on a recurring basis. So that is the reason why you have to use virtual credit card. So for you to actually get virtual credit card from US Unlock, so and mind you, this particular virtual credit card actually is based in United States, and it actually works perfectly for United States citizen. So if you are outside United States, this particular platform is not really recommended for you. So keep on watching. I'm going to show you some alternative to privacy.com and usunlock.com. So for you to get your card on this platform, all you have to do is look on get started over here, and it's going to allow you to register. So you have to register on this platform. I think you have to verify your identity before you can actually use US Unlock to get your card. So it's loading up. So as you can see, you have to register with your first name, your last name, your phone number over here, your email over here, then password, then confirm your password, then click on next. So after you've register, you can be able to get your virtual credit card from US Unlock. So I'm going to be dropping the link to all those websites I'm mentioning in this video, so you can actually check them out to be able to get your virtual credit card. So the next one is for those our subscribers from United Kingdom. So if you are from United Kingdom, you can actually use revo.com to get your free virtual credit card. So this particular platform actually works perfectly for everybody, but it's majorly for those that are resided in United Kingdom. So you can actually get virtual credit card on this platform. And the reason why I actually love revo.com is the fact that if you actually get your card from them, you can fund it with maybe cryptocurrency, but it works perfectly for audience that resided in United Kingdom. So for you to get your card from revo.com, all you have to do is look on get my card. So you can actually click on get my card over here. So as you can see, you have to sign up with your UK phone number. So it's not really recommended for those that reside outside United Kingdom. So if you are from United Kingdom, this particular website is the best for you to actually go in for, so that I'll be able to fund it very well. So that is the number 3 on my list. So as you can see, and this particular card work on different platforms. So you can use it to subscribe for Netflix, Amazon, you can use it to buy things online, and it's being operated in pounds. So as you can see, they have free plan, they have plus plan, which is about £3.99 per month, premium plan. They also have Meta. If you want physical card from revo.com, they can actually ship it to your address. And they also have Ultra, which is about £45 per month. So you can actually get your card if you actually reside in United Kingdom. So, and for those that doesn't reside in United States, that doesn't reside in United Kingdom, and probably you reside in maybe North Asia or like generally. So I will actually recommend you get your card from PYLL. So this particular platform works for everybody throughout the whole world. So if you are even if you are from United Kingdom, United States, you can actually sign up for PYLL. So you can actually click on get started over here. As you can see, virtual credit card, experience the next level of digital payment with virtual credit card. So this platform is one of the best virtual credit card provider, because after getting your card, you can actually use it as a payment gateway. So you can fund it with USDT, you can fund it with different platforms, like different payment gateway. So all you have to do to get your card on PYYL, so you have to click on get your card. So you have to download the app to your mobile phone. If you are using Android or iOS, you can actually download the app and verify your identity to get your card. So I'm going to click off. So as you can see, this card actually work throughout the whole world. As you can see, they have over 1 million store that this card work on. And the good thing about this particular platform is the fact that you can actually sign up for free. They are not requiring you to pay additional money. All you have to do is just to sign up, verify your identity, and just apply for your card, and you are going to get the card instantly. So, and the top up method is very, very easy. So you can easily top up with your debit card, your bank. So they even have, you can actually transfer from your country to this particular platform, because this particular PLLY, I think they are based in United Arab Emirates. So it's work for everybody, irrespective of the country we are from. So all you have to do is to download the app over here. I'm going to drop the link to this particular platform also inside the video description if you want to check them out. So, and the last one on my list, I'm from Nigeria, so I will definitely recommend a platform you can use if you from Nigeria. So it's actually called grade.co. So this platform is one of the best in Nigeria. Almost every Nigerians use this platform. So you have to actually register on this platform. Make sure you verify your identity, like probably upload your national ID card, your voter's card, any means of you verify your identity. So they accept any means, probably your national ID card, international passport, driving license. You can actually upload it to get your account verified. So after you have gotten your account verified, all you have to do is to click on this virtual credit card. So you click on virtual credit card, and it's going to load up an interface for you to apply for virtual credit card. So as you can see, this card work on Netflix, it works on Shopify, it's work on Amazon, different platform like Disney Plus, Amazon Plus, Shopify, like different platform. So all you have to do is to click on get started, and the fee for creating this card is $4. So, and you can actually top up $5 for this platform. And the good thing about this platform is you can actually fund grade.co with Naira and convert it to dollar to top up your card. So you have to confirm, then click on get started to get your card. I hope this video actually help you one way or the other. If you do, kindly give this video thumbs up so that it will actually encourage me to make more video like this. So and make sure you subscribe so that whenever I'm dropping a new video that is working right now, you are going to be the first one to watch and implement my strategy. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.